sort through broken places where hope feels torn apart. The weight of all these faces heavy on your heart. Oh, we're all connected. Can't you see? Every tear that falls, falls for you and me. There's strings attached to every soul. Strings attached make us whole. You see division rising like walls between our prayers, but love keeps on surprising in how the burden shares.